A disgraced former police captain and candidate for sheriff will not spend any time behind bars for cyber stalking an ex-girlfriend. Jason Reid used a county GPS tracker to follow her car in 2017. Reporter Dave Faherty broke the story, and he was inside the courtroom today for Reid's guilty plea. Dave, what is his punishment?
Well, Erica, I think the biggest thing is the fact that he pleaded guilty to a felony, that he's going to have to turn in his law enforcement credentials. Prosecutors told the judge earlier today that he brazenly used county resources to commit a crime.
Jason, anything to say?
On his way into court, former Catawba County Sheriff Captain Jason Reid didn't answer any of our questions. But in court, prosecutors showed the narcotics tracking device they say Reid took and placed on an ex-girlfriend's car. They told the judge Reid then texted the victim her location, even sending this photo of her car at a friend's home.
Jason, did you put a tracking device on that woman's car?
Outside of court, Reid and his attorney weren't talking after he pleaded guilty to felony larceny, cyber stalking, and willful failure to discharge duties. A special prosecutor with the Attorney General's office played video of this press conference where Reid placed the blame on his ex. At the time, Reid was running for sheriff to replace his father.
I never placed any type of tracking device on that woman's vehicle. Unfortunately, I've made some very powerful enemies in my career.
Jason Reid later lost the hotly contested Republican primary, but as the SBI investigated the allegations, his father, Coy Reid, was still sheriff, telling us this about the investigation into his son at the time.
Biggest misuse of power that I've seen in my 39 years.
But it wasn't until today we learned Sheriff Coy Reid also told his detectives if they were contacted by the SBI to let him know first before talking to agents. He has not been charged in the case, and his son, through his attorney, apologized for what happened, saying this proves law enforcement officers are human beings. And just in the last 10 minutes, we got an email from the victim's attorney. It says that she has suffered a huge invasion of privacy, a blatant violation of her constitutional rights. Scott, in this email, it also says that they're trying to reach an amicable solution with the Catawba County Sheriff's Office instead of having to go to court. Reporting live from Lincolnton, now back to you.